Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can change the bait of your rod in Fisch. So to do that, you are going to go to your equipment bag, and as you can see, there's a lot of baits on the right corner. You're just going to select the one that you want to use. I don't really use any, but sometimes for certain fishes, I would use the truffle worm, which is super rare, so it's very hard to come by. If you want to, you can use this algae. Why did I say it algae? It's algae worm. Super flakes, maybe. It's totally up to you which one you want to use. Just select equip, and that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.